Hello everyone. This is Dr. Rajalakshmi, Associate Professor from Computer Science Department of RMD Engineering College. Welcome to today's session on Java Swing. Java Swing is a part of Java Foundation classes that is used to create window-based applications. It is built on the top of AWT, that is Abstract Windowing Toolkit, and entirely written in Java. Unlike AWT, Java Swing provides platform-independent and lightweight components. The Java X.Swing package provides classes for Java Swing API such as JButton, JTextField, JTextArea, JRadioButton, JCheckbox, JMenu, JColorChooser, etc. There are many differences between Java AWT and Swing that are given below. AWT components are platform dependent, whereas Java Swing components are platform independent. Java components are heavyweight, Swing components are lightweight. AWT doesn't support pluggable look and feel, whereas Swing supports pluggable look and feel. AWT provides less components than Swing. Swing provides more powerful components such as tables, list, scroll panes, color chooser, etc. AWT doesn't follow MVC. MVC in the sense model view controller, where model represents data, view represents presentation, and controller acts as an interface between model and view. Swing follows MVC. Next, let's see the class hierarchy of Swing's top level containers. That is JFrame, JDialog, and JApplet. Now, this is what is the hierarchy. Now, the second one is the class hierarchy of Swing's J components. J component and its descendants are lightweight components. Now let's see a simple Swing example where we are creating one button and adding it on the JFrame object inside the main method. This is what is the main class we are using. Inside this class, a frame is created and inside the and a button component is created. Name of the button is B. For creating the button component, we are using the class with the name JButton. When we create this button, we are passing the text click as an argument to the constructor of JButton class. So a button component with the text click will be created. Now setBounds is used to set the dimension and boundary of the button component. Now the button component which is created is added into the frame. Now we are setting size of the frame and we are setting or otherwise we are making the frame as visible. Now the second example, we are going to see that is how a text field can be created and it can be added in the frame. The class we can use here is JTextField. Actually, JTextField is a class and it is suitable for editing a single line text. It inherits JText component class. Actually, the object of a JTextField class is a text component that allows the editing of a single line of text only. Here, the commonly used constructors are JTextField without any argument and JTextField with a string type of argument. Here, the first constructor creates a new text field. Second constructor creates a new text field initialized with the specified text. Now, this is the example program. Inside the class, we are defining the main method. Inside the main method, a frame That is, a container object called frame is created. Name of the frame is F. Now, we are declaring a variable with the name T1 of type JText field. Now, using this new operator, a text field is created with the initial text welcome to text field class. So a text field, a new text field component is created with this initial text. Name of that text field is T1. And we are setting boundary for the text field using the setBounds method. Now, using this add method, the text field T1 is added into the frame with name F. Now, as we have seen already, using this setSize method, we are setting size for the frame. And using the setVisible method, we are making the frame as visible. Next, we are going to see a simple swing example where we are creating one text area and adding it on the JFrame object inside the main method. Now, this is the class name, text area example. Inside this class, we are defining the constructor for this class. Inside this constructor, we are creating an object for the frame. For creating the frame object, we are using the class with the name JFrame. Then, using this new operator, a text area component is created with the help of JTextArea class. Here, the text area is created with a given initial text, welcome to text area class. Now, using the setBounds method, the text area we have created, we are, for that component, we are setting boundary. Then, using this add method, the text area component is added with the frame F. And we are setting size for the frame, and we are making the frame as visible. Now, one more example for creating the button component and adding it with a frame. Next example is for checkbox. So this program shows how a JCheckbox class can be used for creating checkbox and how it can be added with a frame. Now, name of the class is checkbox example. Inside this class, a constructor is defined. Inside the constructor, a frame is created, checkbox object is created, and we are setting size for the checkbox object. Actually, we are creating two number of checkboxes. Name of the first checkbox is checkbox 1. Name of the second checkbox component is checkbox 2. Then we are calling this add method for adding both the checkboxes with the frame object. And we are making the frame as visible by calling the setVisible method. So whenever the program is started, the execution will be started from the main method. So inside the main method, we are creating an object for the checkbox example. Whenever an object is created, the constructor will be called automatically. So the constructor we have defined for the checkbox example, right? So that constructor will get executed automatically. So inside that constructor only, we have created the frame checkboxes and we have added both the checkboxes with the frame object. So this will be the output of this program. Now, in the next program, we are going to see a simple example where we are creating one radio button group and we are adding it on the JFrame object. So here, we are creating a radio button using new operator and the class JRadioButton. Name of that object is R1. Name of the second radio button is R2. We are setting boundary and size for the radio buttons R1 and R2 using setBounds methods. Then we are creating a button group and both the radio buttons are added with the button group BG. Then both the radio buttons are added with the frame using the add method. And at last, the frame is visible. We are making the frame as visible. So this is the example for a swing application using a radio button. So in this session, we saw about the swing components and example programs with components like button, text field, text area, checkbox, and radio button. Thank you.